I'm currently cooking rice and beans at the same time. So the rice is in the rice cooker. As you can see, it's starting to boil now. And the beans, I'm doing the quick soak method. So they're the pinto beans, and I put them in water. I don't know if this is accurate, but Google said to bring them to a boil for a couple of minutes, then put the lid on them, have plenty of water in them, put the lid on them and let them set after I've turned the burner off rather. Then let it set for an hour, then drain the liquid off of it, then cook them, which I'm not sure how to cook them yet, but I'm learning. So if this works, that would be a convenient way to eat healthy and cheap. And what I was thinking is I could fill this, like put a whole bunch of beans in it if I get it down real good how to cook them, and then we have a bunch of cheap freezer bowls, and could put the beans in the freezer bowls, and if I want to eat beans, I could pull them out, take the lid off, and warm them up in the microwave, and it would be cheap and convenient. And eventually could probably cook rice in this as well, but right now I'm cooking a small amount of rice. So if you have any comments or any knowledge about how to do this better, just let me know, and let me know if you like this kind of video too. If you have any tips or anything. And this is a white rice, the jasmine type. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe.